Why do I write? I have always written. I mean, when I was a little kid, was writing short stories. I majored in it in college. I majored in creative writing and thought when I graduated that I was going to sell a novel immediately, and that did not happen. And I had, a whole writing career. I write nonfiction, but I've never managed to make the time to focus on fiction. I had been working on a novel before the pandemic started and stopped for a little while and then picked it back up and was feeling like I needed to be talking to other writers, and I was home all the time. So I looked for virtual options, and Yale came up, and I thought, okay, I'll go to Yale, sure. And I applied there and went to the virtual version last summer, and it was transformative, amazing. I learned more here or there virtually in, I guess it was 2 weeks, than I had learned in probably most of my academic writing classes. They really want you to revise while you're here. There's a big focus on revision, and then you talk about your revision. You read it to people and you get feedback on it, and you learn so much quicker that way from, putting what you're learning into practice immediately. And then anybody who's participating in the workshops who has a completed manuscript gets to do an 8-minute pitch session with one of the agents and sort of get feedback, and potentially, if your work is far enough along, get signed. I would recommend the Yale Writers Workshop to anybody who wants to really dig into sort of the fundamentals of how you write something that's effective and real and beautiful and rich, and then how you read your work and see where it's not working.